In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Trello marketing emails. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's get started. If you're like many users, receiving those frequent marketing emails from Trello can become quite overwhelming. But don't worry, you can easily adjust your settings to put an end to those messages. First things first, open up your web browser, type in Trello's website address, and hit enter. Once you arrive at the home page, you'll want to log in to your account. Just enter your credentials, and you'll be taken to your dashboard where you manage your boards and projects. Now, look for the Settings option. This is usually accessible from your profile icon or your account menu. Clicking on that will bring you to a general settings page where you can control various aspects of your Trello account. Once you're on the settings page, scroll down a bit until you find the section labeled Notifications. This section is crucial for managing how Trello communicates with you, specifically when it comes to emails. In this area, you should see an option that says Change Notification Email Frequency. Click on that option. This allows you to customize how often you receive emails from Trello. If you want to completely stop those update emails from coming your way, just select the Never option. It's pretty straightforward. Selecting this option means you won't receive any marketing emails from Trello at all, which can definitely help declutter your inbox. Now, even though you've made that selection, it's a good idea to go just a little further to ensure you've covered all your bases. Sometimes, users still find themselves receiving occasional promotional messages or product announcements. So, let's dig a little deeper. While you're still within the notifications section, keep scrolling down to see if there are any additional subscriptions or promotional toggles. Trello usually saves your choices automatically, but it's always best to double-check. Look for any specific email subscription boxes that may still be checked and uncheck those boxes. This will help ensure that you're not receiving any unnecessary emails. Once you've made these adjustments, give yourself a pat on the back. You've just taken control of your email subscriptions in Trello. Keeping your inbox organized is important, and making sure you only receive essential updates and notifications helps you stay focused on what really matters. Before you finish up, I encourage you to take a moment to review anything else you might want to adjust in your Trello settings. Sometimes, users overlook additional customization options that can enhance their overall experience. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to stop those pesky Trello marketing emails. Remember, email management is key to productivity, and every little step helps. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thank you for tuning in, and see you next time.